My name is Mimi and I'm from Japan. And I was just looking at the internet to find out all those questions. Sometimes I do that online to what is the meaning of life or why I'm feeling this way, or sometimes I don't fit in into the society, and I was just looking for the solutions. And one day I just saw this self-empowerment course online, and those aspects that they were going to cover on the course was just connecting me right away, and decided to come here and see what's happening to make a positive impact in my life. Well, of course, it was difficult for me in my life to share all those emotions and everything with friends. I have a good friends, but sometimes you cannot express everything you are thinking. Sometimes they are not following. But just because everybody was looking for something like seriously in the life, and all the people I met in here, like we have the safe environment to share what we are thinking, and it's just safe to share. You don't have to feel embarrassed, and you are not judged. So this is a very new things for me, and I'm quite happy with that. I didn't even realize what kind of problems or like trauma I had from since childhood, and I was always believing that my family is the best, and I'm getting all the good educations, and I have to give back something to my family, and I have to fit in into the family. But through the process, I found out that some of my family behavior wasn't really empowering and supporting, and but still I was thinking that that was normal and I have to fit in, and I get hurt, but maybe it was my weakness that I get hurt. Just keep blaming myself that I wasn't fitting in. But so this course tells me what's the healthy family dynamics, and go through all the point and found out that my family wasn't so healthy. I discovered that all the things we learned in here is the society is not letting us know all those things to empower ourselves to find out our life. Society is more like to manipulate you and disempower you to so that easy for them to manipulate. But here you can learn things that society never tells you, and not any the school will never tell you about those things. But this is a place to take your time to find out what you really want in your life, but not according to the society, what they want us to be, or what your parents or somebody expect you to be, but what you really want in your life.